Izulethu, Ma-Africa, Izulethu, Bopoqo, from Cape to Cairo, Morocco to Madagascar, no settler can claim an inch of our land. Ma-Africa, welcome to the Azanian podcast right here on TikTok. We're also available, Ma-Africa, on YouTube. Tonight, the remarks from Justice Thembeka Ngcukaitobi on land reform. He has stated in the past and continues to do so that we have lived in the last 30 years in our country, South Africa, in a market-related land reform process that has produced the most inequality in the world and the most impoverished black underclass in the world. That are some of the remarks from Justice Thembeka Ngcukaitobi. He has also stated that land claims have really, literally, mostly benefited white-owned farmers. The government has stated in the last 30 years, when we've asked the question, how much has been spent for land claims or land claimants? And they put the number out, which was about 58 to 60 billion rand. But when you look at the reality on the ground, which is what Justice Thembeka Ngcukaitobi has called us to do, that we do not follow statistics, because statistics can be very much misleading and they can mask reality. When you look at who really has benefited out of the 58 billion rand spent, it has been white-owned farmers. He has called for, let me just read just a little bit, but he's also said, which is part of his remark, that he is not radical in his approach, because many have stated the fear that should we go radical, we can end up being like a Zimbabwe when it comes to land reform. And he said that is not true. The reason Zimbabwe is the way that it is because there was a collapse when it comes to law. But when he is calling to do, or what he is calling to be done, is to continue to do so within the framework of the law, within the framework of the Constitution. So, is not calling upon absence of law to be applied when it comes to land reform. Let us just further read just a little bit, Ma-Africa, on what he stated regarding the expropriation of land. He has said that land expropriation without compensation is nothing but a fiction. And he's also stated that if you look at what has been happening when it comes to land claims, the black majority that claim will receive a certain amount of money. And we would think that that is land claims, right? That they'll say imali zemihlaba kubekho imali abantu abayifumanayo noba incinci kangakanani, and you find that la mali is not even sufficient. And you find that umuntu uzothi safumene lo mali incinci kodwa usafuna indlu urhulumente. So it means there's been a problem when it comes to land compensation. I think that is why also the president of the PAC, our president, Mzwanele Nyonso, has been even asking for not only the right amounts being compensated, but for support thereafter. So there has been, that's why he kept saying it has been a market-related land reform process. And we will keep updated on more of the remarks from Justice Thembeka Ngcukaitobi when it comes to land reform. izwe lethu ma-Afrika, umhlaba mawubuye ezandleni zabantu abamnyama, nemali yemihlaba mayibhenefithe umzonsundu, the indigenous people of this land, abantu belilizwe, izwe lethu.